Ever dreamt of starting your own business, but then that excitement quickly turns into a cold sweat when you think about licenses and permits? Are you drowning in a sea of confusing government jargon, wondering what you really need to do to make your business legitimate? You're not alone. Many aspiring entrepreneurs feel overwhelmed by the bureaucratic maze of business registration. But what if there was a way to simplify it, to get a clear path through all that paperwork and ensure your dream business is built on a solid legal foundation? That's precisely what we're diving into today. We're going to pull back the curtain on the Inc. Authority Business License Package, explaining exactly what it is, what it includes, and how it aims to streamline this crucial step in your entrepreneurial journey. We'll explore whether it's truly the magic bullet it promises to be, or if there are nuances you need to be aware of. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer understanding of what Inc. Authority offers, helping you decide if it's the right solution for your business. So, let's get started by understanding why business licenses and permits are even necessary in the first place. Think of them as your official permission slips to operate. They exist at federal, state, and local levels, and the specific ones you need depend heavily on your industry, your business activities, and your physical location, even if that location is just your home office for an online business. For example, a restaurant needs health permits, zoning permits, and often a myriad of other local licenses. A freelance graphic designer working from home might only need a general business license from their city or county, and perhaps a sales tax permit if they sell physical products. An online business, despite having no physical storefront, still requires licenses to operate legally and register as a tax-paying entity. In fact, many states require online businesses to obtain a general business license, and if you sell taxable goods, a seller's permit or vendor's license is almost always a must. The consequences of not having the proper licenses and permits can be severe: hefty fines, forced cessation of operations, and even potential lawsuits. It's not just about avoiding trouble. It's about establishing legitimacy, building trust with your customers, and protecting your personal assets by clearly separating them from your business. This is where services like Inc. Authority come in. They aim to take the complexity out of this process, but how exactly do they do it, especially with their business license package? Inc. Authority is primarily known for its free LLC formation service, where they handle the preparation and filing of your LLC formation documents with the state. This often includes a free year of registered agent service, which is a big deal because every LLC needs a registered agent to receive legal documents. However, beyond the basic formation, many businesses need additional licenses and permits to operate legally. This is where their business license package typically comes into play as an add-on or part of their more comprehensive bundles. It's important to clarify that Inc. Authority's business license package isn't a single, all-encompassing license. Instead, it's generally a service that helps you identify and apply for the specific licenses and permits relevant to your business. Let's break down what that usually entails. First and foremost, the core of their business license offering is typically a business license report. Imagine a personalized roadmap for your business's compliance. Inc. Authority, through this report, researches the specific federal, state, and local licenses, permits, and tax registrations your business needs based on your industry, business activities, and location. This is incredibly valuable because, as we discussed, the requirements vary wildly. Without this research, you'd be spending hours sifting through various government websites, trying to decipher complex regulations. Once they identify what you need, the package often includes assistance with the application process. This means they might prepare the necessary forms for you, ensure all the correct information is filled out, and even submit the applications on your behalf to the relevant agencies. This can be a huge time saver and can help prevent costly errors that might arise from incorrect filings. They often act as an intermediary, simplifying communication with government bodies. Now, while Inc. Authority handles the application, it's crucial to understand that they do not pay the actual government filing fees for these licenses and permits. Those fees are separate and are your responsibility. These fees can range from a few dollars to hundreds, or even thousands, depending on the type of license and the jurisdiction. For instance, a general business license from your city might be relatively inexpensive, while certain professional licenses or environmental permits could carry substantial costs. Inc. Authorities Service is about navigating the paperwork and process, not absorbing the government's charges. What else might be included or often associated with their more premium packages that touch upon licensing and compliance? You might find services like EIN, Employer Identification Number, filing. An EIN is essentially your business's social security number, issued by the IRS. You need it to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file certain taxes. While you can get an EIN for free directly from the IRS, Inc. Authority often includes this as a convenience, filing the application on your behalf. Another valuable component, particularly for LLCs, is assistance with an operating agreement. While not strictly a license, an operating agreement is a vital internal document that outlines the ownership structure, management roles, and operating procedures of your LLC. Most states recommend or require one, and Inc. Authority can help you draft a personalized agreement tailored to your business needs. Depending on the package you choose, you might also get a business credit and funding analysis. This goes beyond just licensing but is a crucial aspect of establishing a legitimate and growing business. Inc. Authority might offer insights into building business credit and connect you with funding opportunities. While not directly a license, having strong business credit is often a prerequisite for obtaining certain industry-specific permits or expanding your operations. Some higher-tier packages may also include ongoing compliance notifications. This is incredibly helpful because licenses and permits often have renewal dates, and missing a deadline can lead to penalties. These notifications serve as reminders, helping you stay compliant year after year. So, what are the benefits of using a service like Inc. Authority for your business license needs? Firstly, time savings and convenience. Researching and applying for all the necessary licenses and permits can be an incredibly time-consuming and tedious process. Inc. Authorities Service is designed to take that burden off your shoulders, allowing you to focus on building and running your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.